As you can see, my roots need done desperately. So the first thing we're going to start with is bleaching my hair. My roots are absolutely awful. I could really use this refresh right now. So I have my cream lightener and my developer, and I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I got my bowl here, and I'm going to be using this 20 volume developer ion sensitive scalp. And I'm going to do 8 ounces in here. And next I'm going to take my powder bleach. This is the Clairol Professional BW2 Plus. And I'm going to do 3 scoops of this. I should probably be using gloves while doing this. If you do this, make sure you use gloves. And now we mix. Okay, this is the consistency you should have. It should be pretty thick. It shouldn't be too runny. Now, this is an optional step, but I have this pH Plex Color and Bleach for pH Balance Hair Protection. So you put this in your bleach, and it's supposed to help protect your hair. So this is my first time trying this, so let's see how well it works. This is the box it comes with, so it has a 1, 2, and 3 step. So the number 1 step is what I'm going to put in the bleach, and then when I rinse the bleach out, I'll do number 2, and then when I'm all done with everything, I'll do number 3. And 3 can also be used as like maintenance just to keep your hair stronger. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to section my hair into 4 quadrants. All that regrowth I have, oh my goodness, I really let my hair go a long time without bleaching it. Okay, so I have all my sections. They're not the best or most even. I will actually say right now that I am not a professional at this. I've been bleaching my own hair at home for probably close to 10 years, if not more, honestly. So I'm not a professional. I have no training. So take everything I tell you with a grain of salt, and do not blame me if you fry your hair off. I've definitely fried my own hair off a few times. Okay, so you'd probably assume that I would start with the front of my head, but I'm actually going to start with the back, just because the front and the hairline pieces develop so much quicker. So I'm actually going to start back here. So I'm now going to take this section back here, and I'm going to split it in half again. Making sure to have clean sections is probably one of the most important things of bleaching your own hair, to be honest. I'm going to start, and I'm going to try to keep it off my already lightened hair so I don't have any breakage, which is like the hardest thing of all, pretty much. Here we go. This coordinate is done. Now we're going to move on to the back coordinate back here. That literally took forever. I'm going to be here all night. Okay, all the back's done now. I just have these 2 front pieces, which should be pretty quick. They're pretty small in comparison to the back, so fingers crossed, because it's already been like a good 45 minutes I've been doing this. Okay, we are finally done. That literally took me forever. As you can see, it's already pretty blonde. So I'm going to go wash this out, and then we're going to come back and pray that it turned out good. And I'm back from rinsing my hair out. I got all the bleach out, and I am actually thoroughly impressed with myself for how light I got my hair. Honestly, it is looking pretty good. There's like a couple like darker spots right here, but overall I did pretty good, and I think the toner will have no issue going on evenly and everything. So I'm very proud of myself, and mostly I'm just glad that all of my hair is on my head. I did not lose any significant amount of hair, which is the best thing I could hope for. So next we're going to move on to toner, and of course I have the widely used, very iconic Wella T18 toner. That's my favorite. It's a lot of people's favorite for good reason. It's just like the perfect platinum icy toner, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. Okay, so I'm going to take my box of T18, and I'm actually going to do 2 boxes. Although my hair is pretty short now, I probably could get by with 1, but I have 2, so I'm just going to mix up 2 just to make sure I have enough, because I hate running out in the middle. So I'm just going to dump it in my little bowl. Every bottle you do, you fill this bottle up twice with developer, so I'm going to fill this up 4 times for 2 bottles. I love doing toner compared to bleaching because it's just so much more easy. You just put it all over your hair. You don't have to worry about like sectioning and not getting it on your ends, and bleaching is so stressful to me, but toning is like just super easy. And then, of course, don't forget your gloves because everything will be turning purple. We're already turning purple, which is perfect. I'm going to start at the top where the regrowth is, or was now, I suppose. Then I'm going to pull it through my ends, like at the very last, 5 minutes or so. Okay, here's my hair freshly washed. I'm kind of obsessed with how good it turned out, honestly. I couldn't ask for it to be any better, to be honest. My roots might be a tad bit warmer than my ends, but I think once it dries, it'll look pretty even. And yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna come back and show you guys once it's all dry and everything. I'm gonna let it air dry because my hair does not need any more damage right now. So I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Okay, I'm back. My hair is dry. It is straightened. I got my makeup done so you guys can get the full vision of how it looks, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I think the color came out super even. It looks really pretty. This is like the exact color that I like it to look. My roots are all even. They kind of look dark here, but I think it's just the shadow from the camera because all over it's very even. So I definitely did a pretty good job this time, and I'm very happy with how it came out.